But here's a couple of reasons why why people don't want to stop. Number one, the reason why people don't want to stop is because people tend to surrender to urgent matters over important matters. Martha, Mary, key example. Martha was caught up in all these preparations, got to do, running around. Mary's doing what? She's sitting at Jesus' feet, listening to what he's saying. Mary valued the important and what truly matters over what is urgent. Yes, it was urgent to get the table, and that was part of it, but that wasn't the main thing. The main thing was to be with Jesus. And a lot of times, that's what causes people not to stop. Second reason why is because people are terrified of change. Hence, they don't want to stop, not realizing that when you actually do stop, you can hear clearly and you can move forward effectively. Alright? The third reason is because we are obsessed over not having time. For example, we have people say things like, no, I don't have time to pray during the day. I'm thinking, bro, do you have less hours than what we have? Or? So I understand is that everybody got 24 hours. You can decide to maybe take 2 minutes of silence to become still again and hear what he's saying. In society today, what we are seeing is Terminator. If you guys watched the movie Terminator, I mean, Arnold Schwarzenegger, he come in there with the big gun, like, but he's blowing up the cars, he's blowing up the whole house, and he's maybe shooting 3 people at it. Compared to Born Supremacy. My man over there, the sniper, he got that sniper over there. My man's chilling, he stops, one shot, cling, hits him in the void. He's out, gone. Why? Because he took the time to stop. Arnold is coming there, bro. I'll be back. He's just blowing up everything, right? Messing up the whole warehouse. You know what I mean? That's why Terminator is so expensive to make. Born Supremacy, just one guy with some makeup, blood makeup on his forehead. Shoot him there. And many people living like Terminator, going through life. I'll put it to another way, like it's a hamster. You know those hamster wheels? Going end of that. Not taking any time to just stop. Just stop for 2 minutes. Just stop. Whether it be you go sit in that toilet, people think, cocky reds, lapana. No. Go sit in there then and close the door, lock the door, put on some earphones and just stop. So you can hear what he's telling you. I'm telling you guys, listen. You are one decision away from your entire life changing. One decision. But you can't hear it when you're on the hamster wheel. You can't hear it. Because there's so many voices. Hence you got to stop. The last reason why is because people are preoccupied with tradition. I mean, bro, we were at that school and a grade 11, a grade 11 pupil came to us. You know how dangerous tradition is? A grade 11 pupil came to us saying that she fled, please correct me if I'm wrong, she fled Angola because they tried to marry her off in Angola. Bro, she's in grade 11. That's what tradition does. And Jesus addressed that. He said, listen, you guys, you exalt your tradition above the word of God. And that must stop.